Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. So lesi strongest starting 11 for me laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs this season. If bafuna ukukhompitha for izinto bafuna ukulwa, lesi starting 11 kumele basi-choose bafethu. So ngizowabala ama-player and then ngibale ukuthi potentially-ke maybe abangabasapota abangangena from the bench ukuthi kungabe ubani. Obvious u-goalkeeper wabo currently number 1 uPeter ku-right back uThabiso Munyane, ku-left back uMako, and then-ke ku-left center back and then McCarthy, then uKwinika, and then after uKwinika just oba-protect-ile ku-defense laphana kuzoba uMthethwa, and then I'm pairing uMthethwa noLebohang Maboe bafowethu, and then ku-left wing asiphoseleni uVelibayo. uPule Modi, yes, ku-Kaizer Chiefs unawo ama-glimpse of beautiful moments laphana, but isikhathi angimbona square ibhola, angimbona ashaya isikhathi esiningi, so that is why ngichuza uVelibayo. And then ngale uLilepo-ke u-wasteful, yes, ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke makangakwazi ukuba in-sync a-connect nama-player babe ne-formula ukuthi bazodlalisana kanjani, Kaizer Chiefs ingadla kakhulu ngoLilepo, so they have to give him i-benefit of the doubt. But if uyaqhubeka ngalento yakhe ukuthi ashaye kude isinoma kanjani kumele bambeke ebhentshini bafethu, angeke phela baloke babekezelelana nendoda endala ilokhu ishaya nje kuphela noma kuthiwa ukuphi uyashaya. Duduzi Shabalala uye u-number 10 laphana, and then i-striker sabo uKhanyisa Mayo. Mayo ngiyazi ukuthi already sokunento off kancane ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of what he did, but-ke lesi striker abangasithemba ngempela. And then from the bench uzosapothiwa u-Ighodaro, i-striker esi-powerful, but-ke yeah, I think if they can try this starting 11 makusingasebenzi-ke lesi asikho esizosebenza. Esi-powerful kanje bafowethu, and then bonke abanye bazoba nama-cameo roles or abazongena abanye mabalimele, but-ke yisi starting 11. Sikhumbule ukuthi uDotley me-fit naye uyabuya uDotley. If uDotley is fit naye angakwazi laphana ukungena kule starting 11 ukuthi uzo-replace abantu kuzobonakala, but uDotley naye super powerful for i-Kaizer Chiefs, umdlali ngempela o-exciting kakhulu. uMsimang naye uyabuya ku-injury. Hhayi kuzoba nzima kakhulu laphana emuva, but sobona kuzoya nge-coach ukuthi izodlala kanjani. Khona nama-player exciting abafana noNdlovu, ama-players are-hungry, sobona ukuthi bazofitha kanjani, but-ke asingene ukusi-break-a down noma ukusichaza kahle kule starting lineup ukuthi why ngiqale ngale starting lineup lesi or ngi-choose-a labantu laba. So u-goalkeeper uPeterson bafowethu, I mean siyazi ukuthi Peterson has been criticised kakhulu, nami ngiyam-criticize or bengim-criticize past seasons ukuthi he was giving or beka-donate-a ngamagoli laphana, but i-question of leadership is at heart for yena. Uyambona ukuthi is one of the leaders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, u-brilliant in terms of ukuba vocal, i-passion yakhe siyayibona, whether uhleli ebhentshini or uyadlala, but i-passion yakhe hlezi siyibona laphana, uvocal bafethu, uyakhomanda laphana emuva, uya-understand i-weight. I think the most important thing bafethu i-mentality ukuthi udlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs, uya-understand i-weight yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs esemahlombe akhe laphana noku-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-badge overall. Ubhetha nama-players amaningi in terms of mental. I'm not saying he's the most talented goalkeeper, no. Ngichaza ukuthi mentally u-fit bafowethu, like mentally u-strong, uyakwazi ukushape izinto a-represent-e i-team kahle in terms ukuthi abonise ukuthi i-team enkulu bafowethu, so idinga ama-big personalities. Unayo-ke leyo nto leyo uPeterson. Brazil unama-clean sheets already awu-6 this season. Ubhethwe i-premiership unawu-5, and then ku-continental level, okay, ngeke siyibale because second leg and first leg. Yeah, but-ke so far is not bad bafethu. Yeah, uza kahle. Defense, well, i-new blood-ke ku-defense ulokhunjana uMcCarthy bafowethu, what a superstar, super young talent. Confidence, technically gifted, siyambona. Uyi-player ngempela, i-defender eli-modern, elikwazi ukufitha kahle kakhulu, and uyakwazi uku-read i-game, i-timing, anticipation, ama-runs. So umuntu ozoba important kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. And then umphere noKwinika, uKwinika oyi-leader, une-composure uKwinika, u-professional ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and une-aggression. Well, unokuba nento zakhe, but-ke in terms of i-leader uyakwazi ukwenza i-dirty work for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs iyakwazi uku-regroup overall. And then-ke ku-right back uThabiso Munyane, umuntu wako-Orlando Pirates. Well, bekuney'nkulumo kakhulu mesayinwa i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi why basayina umuntu olimalayo. Kusaseyilezo y'nkulumo bafethu, why? Because ku-Kaizer Chiefs already se-experience i-injury ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine already experience i-injury ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke energy yakhe bafethu overlap laphana ukuya phambili aphinde abuyele emuva uqala ama-counter attacks, i-aggression yakhe, i-purpose yakhe nje ukudlala laphana ku-right hand flank for i-Kaizer Chiefs ibaluleke kakhulu. I-modern fullback lena is not afraid ukuthi aye phambili, is not afraid ukushaya ama-tackles. Akukho lula ukuthi ubhithe uLo Thabiso Munyane, kunzima kakhulu. So i-player elifitha perfect laphana ku-system ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Nanokuthi-ke he always wanna prove himself laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because uya-understand ukuthi i-team enkulu, so uyazi i-purpose unayo, uyazi ukuthi udlalelani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then ku-left-ke Paseka Marco, another big signing for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Funny enough ukuthi babathole mahhala former Buccaneer. Udiscipline une-engine, uyakwazi ukurecover nge-pace, ukubhalansa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Defensively-ke usharp, awuqala I think the coolest thing about uMarco, I think advantage enkulu ukuthi uMarco kumele amake umuntu odlala laphana ku-right wing, but-ke uzothena lo muntu lo odlala laphana ku-right wing to i-defender because that's why uzokwazi ukuqala ama-counter attacks. Mabamba ibhola is driving forward, uphasela ama-midfielders and then ubanika ama-option ukuthi bakwazi ukubuyisela ibhola kuye. So intelligence e-serious le ama-player amaningi anganayo. Is come under pressure, maya phambili unike i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-attacking options laphana abanokuleka wona overall. So umdlalo exciting for i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu. Siyazi ukuthi obvious kuno-Cross, u-Cross-ke I think mabadlala imesh e-tough kakhulu angakwazi ukuletha ibhalansi laphana ku-left back. But guess what, ulokhunjana uMarco ngambona badlala nane-Sundowns ukuthi akusiyo i-player bafethu eliwutamatisi, like uyakwazi ukudlala even nama-game lawa a-tough, ukunika ama-teams inkinga e-serious. Then-ke ku-midfield obviously currently number 6 wabo ubani, u-Ox Mthetho bafethu, i-destroyer laphana, u-protect iwall ye-defense. Hhayi makuthiwa khona umuntu osebenza kanzima ku-Kaizer Chiefs uye loya muntu loyo. Amabhola awinayo angimazi ukuthi uwina amabhola ayingakhi. Akusiyi is not the most creative player, akanayo i-flair, akana-niksi, kodwa into nje ayenzayo ukuwina amabhola for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi akwazi ukurecover amabhola overall laphana. So next to him, not far from him, Dlalisa uLebu Maboe. What a player, what a signing. I mean, une-experience, u-versatile, so uyakwazi ukudlala as i-number 6 or ngithi i-number 8 and then uyakwazi ukudlala ukuya phambili as i-number 10. So i-versatility le abayidingayo, and then phambi kwabo kuba nobani, Duduzi Shabalala, especially if bafuna ama-attacking options amaningi ukuya phambili, if badlala nama-teams adlala i-low block, they can go for him. I-football IQ yakhe imenza abe perfect kakhulu ukuthi ukwazi ukulinka between i-defense ne-attack laphana, i-composure yakhe, i-movement yakhe bafowethu, he could easily be one of the most important players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then-ke ku-left wing I would put uVelibayi, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uModi, yeah, uModi uyalibamba ibhola, afuna ukudrebula, ufuna ukulibamba for isikhathi eside, kanti libamba ibhola unika ama-player wakho fast, iba quick mfethu, sense of urgency kumele ibe khona. So bamhlalise ebhentshini for some time, qale uVelibayi, umncane, u-fearless, ufuna ukuphruva ngempela laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bamletheleni, une-pace, udlala ngazo zowu-2 iy'nyawo, akatatazeli, i-rhythm yakhe serious, creative spark laphana uzokwazi ukuyiletha for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe it could be the answer in terms of ukuthi ba-create ama-chances amaningi, bakwazi ukuwa-convert, angakwazi uku-connect-a kahle kakhulu naboMayo, yes. In fact iside elilodwa laphana yena noMarco, so uMarco mekamnika i-option ukuthi uyavula laphana, umnika isikhala, and then angakwazi ukudlala nge-freedom because of, so uma udlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs kunoVelibayi noMarco, or uma kunoMarco laphana, uMarco unika ama-defenders like i-problem ukuthi abasakwazi ukumaka kahle umuntu odlala ku-right wing, ku-left wing man, ufana noVelibayi. So lokho kungam-afforda uVelibayi isikhathi ngempela esi-serious ukuthi azenzele. Then on the right-ke, right wing singabeka uLilepo-ke, yeah, uLilepo uthanda ukuhlala le elayinini, akangahlali elayinini kakhulu, u-dangerous, akazame ukusondela, angahlali le elayinini ngoba isikhathi esiningi ubamba ibhola laphana straight elayinini, uzibuze ukuthi ndoda kumele kusheshwe la, ku-late, but ubambela ibhola elayinini. But-ke umuntu ongakwazi ukukhosa istorm esi-serious, u-fast, u-direct, u-ruthless, uyakwazi ukubhitha ama-player, uyakwazi ukukhosa leyo chaos leyo, uyakwazi ukubhitha njengoba bengishilo ama-defenders. So angashaya amagoli amaningi mengalungisa i-timing yakhe ukuthi kumele azi ukuthi ushaya nini kanjani. Duduzi Shabalala laphana ezi-number 10 bafethu, just behind the striker, ubanika leyo nto leyo, ispark bafethu i-creativity is a good pass of the ball on his day. Ngingakwazi ukukora amagoli ambalwa futhi. So umdlali lona oza nespark ku-Kaizer Chiefs, oza nama-contribution a-serious if udlala nama-team nama-player ahlakaniphile akwaziyo ukuyi-read igame yakhe nanokuthi bakwazi uku-anticipate ama-passes wakhe. Well, uyi-direct replacement kabani ka-Gaston Sirino, kusho ukuthi njengoba uSirino aqala ebhentshini isikhathi esiningi this season, maybe they are planning for the future, not for manje nje kuphela. So yeah, yiso isikhala laphana bangazama ngempela kulokhu njani ukuzivala laphana uVilakazi. Sengithi uVila, yes, wait, even noVilakazi angadlala laphana izinamba 10, but ngiyishilo indaba yakhona izolo, go check enye i-clip ngikhuluma ngayo. Then-ke i-striker sabo bafethu Khanyisa Mayo, I mean, le striker lesi sibaluleke kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because of une-experience, uyakwazi ukupressa high, uyakwazi manje ukusiza i-team, uyakwazi ukusiza i-team ukuya phambili. Is a good holder of the ball, uyakwazi ukuqala ngama-runs. Ezinye i-striker azikwazi nani ukugijima nebhola, but uMayo une-flair, una-everything oyidingayo ku-modern striker, or a-striker esirepresenta i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, ukuthi abe ne-flair, abe na-everything. Yiyo uMayo into ayinika i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. So le first starting 11, if bangaba fithi ngobuningi, consistency, Kaizer Chiefs could finally compete laphana ku-league. Danko bafethu, ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.